The devastating September 2020 wildfires swept through approximately 1.3 million acres of land across multiple counties throughout our state. Many of the damaged areas include popular public recreation sites, which remain temporarily closed due to the danger of slides or damaged trails. These areas may also be undergoing recovery and restoration efforts, such as road repairs, reseeding, or hazardous tree removal. To ensure your safety and reduce risk, it's important to know before you go and check before visiting recreation sites to avoid closed areas and safely enjoy the outdoors. That's why several agency partners have teamed up to create the Oregon Recreation Site Status Map. The Oregon Recreation Site Status Map can be found online at wildfire.oregon.gov. A how to use this map explanation walks you through the process. As fire-damaged areas reopen, they may have unmarked hazards and may be more challenging in rescue situations. Plan ahead to ensure the area you want to go to is open. Play it safe by choosing activities that are within your comfort zone. Know before you go.